Right, coming from where we left off, after that you have created your class, I want you guys to look into the class settings of your class. So how or where can we do that? So let's remove this hint first. Got it? All right. So after that, you go to the upper right corner of your screen, and here you can see this cog, and you have to press that, and it will bring you to your class settings. So in class settings, there are three parts. We have class details, the ones that we have typed in earlier when we created this class. Next will be general. What are some of the settings that you will have for your Google class? And then next and last but not least will be the grading section, and we will look into that to some detail later on, but not in this video. So we'll look into the details and general sections first. So class details. So as you can see, class details are the things that you have typed when you started creating this class. So the other thing that is missing is the class description, and this is optional, but you can actually describe or put some information about your class. Say the schedule. Let's say this class will be meeting during Mondays and Thursdays. Say the schedule will be from 9:30 to 10:25. All right. So that's just another detail that you can key in order for you to, in a way, identify more clearly what this class is. The second section would be general, and this is very important because all of these things will affect somehow your overall class. So in here you can see class code, the stream, classwork on the stream, show deleted items, guardian, summaries, and meet. All right, we'll look into those things in a while. So class code. Class code is in a way, the section of your class. So this is the code that you will be giving to your students in order for them to be able to join your class. So if you click that down, pointing downward arrow, you can see display, copy, reset, and disable. So if you want to have a screenshot of your class code on a bigger scale, you click display, and then it will pop out a small window that will feature or show your class code in a bigger way. You can take a screenshot of this and then in a way send this to your students via email or through the class advisors, for example, in order for us not to bog ourselves down by putting in all of the emails of our students in one class. So this is the easiest way to add students to your class. Just take a screenshot of this and then send this through your advisor or the class advisor of that class, and then send it to the students under that class as well. All right. So let's put that away first. Then if you want to do it manually, maybe you will be posting it on Viber or Facebook or Messenger, you can click copy, and then automatically the code will be included in the clipboard of your computer. Then if you want to reset the class code, you can do so by clicking reset and then disable. If you want to disable the class and nobody can join the class itself, after that you have all of your students completely signed in or joined in your class. So no one can be added or no one can join in the class outside of those roster or student roster that you have. All right. Next is stream. In the stream is a section of your Google Classroom wherein you can see all of the assignments, the announcements, the upcoming tasks, the deadlines, and all. All right. So we'll look into that into stream later on. Stream, when you click on the downward arrow, you can see the options. Number one, students can post and comment. Students can only comment, and thirdly, only teachers can post or comment. This is a very important because depending on the choice that you have in this part of general class setting, either you will have a cleaner stream or you will have a chaotic stream. So in order for us to balance things out, I would rather have students can only comment. You can post as a teacher anything on the stream, but the students can only make comments or type in comments. They cannot post anything on the stream. Uh, the third option, only teachers can post or comment, it would be somehow boring or less interactive if you do that. So I would rather, I'd suggest that you choose students can only comment. So let's choose that. Then classwork on stream. What does it do? Classwork on stream has something to do with your classwork tab or classwork section, wherein you can assign assignments, quizzes, readings, and so on. So if you post anything on classwork, immediately, if the setting is right, uh, it will be announced on the stream. So every time your student opens your class, the first thing that they will see is the stream. So if you have posted new assignments for them, that is where they can see, oh, there's this new assignment that the teacher has given us. So what are the options for this? Well, the first is show attachments and details. This is the most comprehensive of the posts among the three. No? It will show the instructions. It will show also the attachments if you have attachments like PowerPoint presentations, PDF files, or even YouTube movies, and so on. Second, show condensed notification. It will only show the instruction or the announcement, but no attachments whatsoever. So it's a little streamlined in a way. And third, and last but not the least, would be hide notifications. It means that every time you do or you post assignments or make quizzes, it will not appear in the stream. So I suggest that you choose this first one, show attachments and details, so that they will be able to have a bird's eye view. Immediately, they will be able to know what they're getting themselves into. Whether they have to watch a movie, read an article, or fill up a Google form for quizzes. Immediately, all of those things will be shown in the stream. So I suggest that you choose show attachment details. Okay. Then show deleted items. In this case, if this is disabled, only teachers can view deleted items. So if you have posted something and then later on change your mind and you decided to delete it, only you can see it. If this is enabled, then even your students can see those deleted things, whether it's posts on stream or assignments in classwork. Then guardian summaries. Guardian summaries are notifications for guardians in order for them to see what your class is doing. So if you click that, there are examples of here, like missing work, upcoming work, they can see all those things, class activities and all. You can check out this as well if you want to read them. The link is visible in that section as well. You can just click see example. Then last part of this would be Meet. Since most of the time we will be using Google Meet in order for us to see our students face-to-face, virtually speaking, this is a good way in order for them to, or for us as teachers to create meetings seamlessly together with Google Classroom and Meet. So Automatically, if you click this, your Google Classroom will generate a link, and it will be posted on the main information under the stream. Okay. But for now, I'm not going to click this. But if you want, you can generate this. Sige, let's try to generate a link na lang instead. All right, so by default, this will be your Google Meet link. So anyone who has access to your classroom can just click it and then come up or go into the meeting or Google Meet meeting. And then there's this small toggle here wherein you can choose to either make it visible to the students or not. So if we disable this, this will not appear in the stream. Aside from this, you can also have other options. If you want to manually copy the Google Meet link, you can do so by clicking copy. Or if you want to have a different Google Meet link every time that you're going to have a session, then you can click reset. Now, this is very useful, especially if you are if you want to prevent other people from getting in ahead of you. So I suggest that you disable this first, and then every time that you're going to meet your class, you reset your Google Meet link so that you will have a different link every time you will meet them. All right. So whenever you're ready, click reset. Then your Google Meet link will be reset to another different link. Then choose this one to make it visible to the students. All right. So far, that's it for class settings. We'll talk about grading or this section on another video. Thank you.